Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix control center is missing on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to just simply open settings and tap on here journal and then tap on software update, and you have to make sure that there is not update. If there is an update available, then you have to just simply update your device to the latest version of iOS 18, and after that checking the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then scroll down and here tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are still this problem, then the last solution is simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after resetting your all settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.